last video we opened up the Site 76 Prison Anomalies core pack. The code's still in here. My little brother got my toys wet, so they might look a little shiny. So now we're going to do the Roblox Mad City Plasma Red gun. But if you haven't, you should check out the video where I opened the Site 76 Prison Anomalies core pack. Let's open it. So now we're gonna open it. Wait, how do I open this? I don't know how to open it. Here's a tape. Oh yeah. Yeah. Ooh. I must cut all the tapes because I do not know how to open. Shing. Hiya. So we're opening this. Yeah. I thought this would be in a thicker package, but it seems like this Nerf gun is actually pretty thin. Ooh, I see it. It's really tiny.
Look at this Nerf gun. Look at that. That's an incredible Nerf gun.
Oh, there's a Nerf gun.
Oh, there it is.
It's really tiny. Now we're gonna have to look for the darts. And the code too. Where are they? Where did they? Oh, great.
Where's the nurse? I don't know her name.
So the code is 815
a ticker.
That's his little brother who just tries to tag along and play with things that are not for him.
Not for him. So the code is 8152446835509. Wait, what? Okay. I wonder where the darts went.
Are you eating the darts? You. Are you? Open your mouth. Any darts in there?
No.
Okay, no darts in there. Phew, that's good.
Where are the darts?
What?
No.
No. There's a place in the bottom. There might be in there. Something in the bottom.
There's something.
Rip it open. Rip it.
Yeah, we're just gonna rip it open. And if you want some more Nerf guns like this, you can get the Strucid Boom Strike gun and the Phantom Forces Boxy Blitz. My little brother interrupted again, so this is the Phantom Forces Boxy Buster. So later you can get it if you want. We found darts. It's in a secret place under here.
Oh, secret compartment from the bottom.
Yeah, you can push this up, but I prefer.
Let's see. Open them up. Let's see.
Just opened up the darts.
Good. Put them in.
The darts are so tiny. They're not
Tiny
normal.
little mini darts.
Not normal darts.
Not normal darts, Patty.
So
That's
we gotta
that small.
put these in. Let's see it shoot.
Where are you gonna shoot?
The wall.
All right, shoot the corner wall there. Ooh,
Okay,
nice
this
one.
is easier to pull than the Fortnite one. This is a bit easier to shoot than my Fortnite one. For my Fortnite one, I have to hold it like this to shoot it.
And then you can almost shoot yourself.
Yeah, it's really hard to shoot my Fortnite one. But this one is actually a pretty good gun. And the code will give you the Mad City Plasma Ray Nerf gun. So that's it for today. Please like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. Bye!